open your VS Code, and in your VS Code, open a new terminal. And from your terminal, type the command that was provided in the hands-on practice, which is the one that you're seeing on the screen. Hit enter. You might be prompted to ask for a password, and just type the one that's give access to your computer. It's not going to show anything on the screen, so just type it and hit enter. It's going to take a little bit of time for the module to run and to be installed. Once the installation is done, you should be able to type this following command, learnyounode. You can find it in the hands-on practice. Hit enter. If your installation is correct, you should see something like this show up on your terminal. And this is where you can start having fun and programming in your terminal. So we can start with hello world. So you can just hit enter and the file will be open in your terminal. So just scroll up all the way to the top where we read the description of the task we need to do. So they're asking us to create a file named helloworld.js and write a program that prints the text hello world to the console. If you don't know anything about JavaScript, there are some hints for you to read through, but long story short, to print something on the screen, in JavaScript, you can just use console.log and then whatever that it is that you want to print. So let's follow the instruction and create a file called hello world.js, and in that file I'm just going to make it very simple. So I'm going to do console.log and I'm going to print directly the string that they want us to print, which is hello world, and hit save. Once you are done, to verify if your code works, you can copy and paste this command in your terminal and see if it works. So if it works correctly, you will see something like this. If your code doesn't pass, it will tell you too. So you can go ahead and go back to think of how you can refactor this program. So instead of directly printing out the string, you can print the variable. So think about that and feel free to edit your code. Once you're done, you can move on and request more challenge.